Installed 2 sticks on a 2009 Gateway SX2800-01R that had 4 GB installed. Works perfectly and matches the installed memory. I purchased this RAM for a Gateway SX2800-01 that came with 4 GB RAM. This additional RAM allowed me to run Windows 10 with much more pep than the 4 GB did. Installation was a piece of cake and I am thrilled that it cost me less than $30. Great value and works flawlessly in my Linux machine. No problem with this RAM. I bought a pair of these to complement the 4 GB I already had. My system doesn't seem to mind. Great price with the same specs as my other older cards. I had bought 2 sticks of RAM that matched my computer's specifications from Crucial, but neither worked. Searched the factory installed RAM's part number and found the perfect match. Update December 27, 2016. Bought another and no issues. Plan to keep buying more for all my towers so long as they work. Update January 3, 2017. Third stick worked. Update January 13, 2017. Bought 3 more. Great to be able to replace a bad memory on my PC. Super fast service, part was 100% as advertised. I had it about 6 weeks now and no problems. Thank you very much. Old Abi Mayor. Matched existing RAM and system. Shipping nothing to get excited about. Snail mail. Click link in description for more reviews.